Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have something really exciting, an unboxing of the latest POS machine that's designed to streamline business transactions and make payments easier than ever. Whether you're setting up a retail shop, EBM, or any business, this device promises to be a game changer. Let's dive into the unboxing and take a look at what's inside the box. Stay tuned as we go through its features and see how this POS machine can improve your business operations.